Hello with another video in Linux Mint 19.3, and today we will talk how we can make it looks like Windows. Many Windows users have really problem to switch from one operational system to another, so we do have solutions for them to make their transitions more smooth. I really like Linux Mint UI, how it looks like, but for many users the first change is really stressful. So let's start. We have to go to one website which allow us to download themes and icons. That's everything what we need. In support page we're gonna find that they supporting actually all graphic engines of Linux, so everyone can almost can use the benefits of this change. My distribution is based on Cinnamon. I'll follow the descriptions under it. So first we will download themes and after them the icons. I will demonstrate with Windows 10. So I will download Windows 10. Each theme will give you what are the compatibilities and requirements. Click the button download and I would download, how I said, all themes. They have two main sections, so I'll download both. One of them is, I believe it's a standard Windows 10, and the other one is a lighter version. So total 4 files. They are very small files, so you can try which one is best for you. So now I'll download them all. And here we are, ready with the themes. Now it's time to download the icons. The icon is only one file for all theme and contain the word master. When everything is downloaded on your computer, you can navigate to download folder and extract them. And we finished the extraction. Now we have to move them. Folder with name master is our icons. I will move them to the right folders. So master will go to a hidden folder icons. So you have to enable to see hidden files. Dot icon, if you cannot find it, you can create it with the right button, create new folder. Just go back inside of the folder icons and paste it. The other 4 folders will go to folder themes. I'll cut them from here and paste it inside of the theme folder. How I said, if it doesn't exist, you can create it. Our job here is done, and now it's time to see what the transformation will be. So navigate to preferences themes. These are the default settings, so you always can come back, just change them back to Linux Mint default. When you click, you'll find our new folders, the same names. So I'll try first with the dark theme and after them with the lighter one. Icon is only one file for all Windows 10 themes. Select the same version of the theme. And we're gonna skip mouse cursors. Now we feel like we are in the Windows 10 dark. It is really amazing how you actually can transform so easily Linux. Some people prefer to be a little lighter, so I will show you the lighter theme. And this is a standard Windows 10, easy to use for any Windows user which just arrives in Linux Mint. Disable hidden files and folders, and this is everything what you need to start using Linux Mint from the first time transition coming from Windows. I just want to show you very shortly the versions which are supported, and very important, Windows 7 and Vista using the same icon file. So if you go to Windows Vista theme, you can downloading them, but the icons you can take from master file for Windows 7. This is everything what you need to make the change. Nothing special and it's nothing complicated, it's pretty simple. If you like to return back, you just have to follow the same steps and put back the settings which were default for Windows for Linux Mint, sorry, and I will show you exactly actually what were they. Oops, that was the wrong one. And here we are, back to Linux Mint default. That was everything what I wanted to show you today. And thank you very much for watching it. Maybe see you next time.